Can cold hands and a warm heart be used to supersize and grow our business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business. And our idiom, taking off my gloves, our idiom for today is cold hands, warm heart. Now, I grew up with this idiom, this expression. It's actually a proverb from 1902. It was first recorded by Vincent Lean in his collection or collectionia of proverbs. But that means it's been around a lot longer than just since it was recorded in English. Now, my grandma used to say this all the time because my hands as a little girl, and they still are often, I often am cold. I have cold hands. And sometimes I'm a little gruff on the exterior. And so my grandma would always say, cold hands, warm heart. My dad used to say that a lot too. I think my late father epitomized this expression. He didn't necessarily have cold hands, but he was a little gruff, a little rough on the exterior, but he was an absolute mush puppy on the inside. He had the biggest, most kind heart and the most loving, helpful way about him imaginable. He's one of those people that went and did things that helped other people without ever saying anything about it. And I think that's where I get my love of, hey, do what you can and help other people in any way that you can, but you don't need to broadcast it to the world. And in this day and age of social media, it seems like everybody's broadcasting to the world all the wonderful things they do. And I personally, probably because of my father, feel like that takes away from the gift that you were giving. Just my opinion. So how this proverb, of course, means it's describing somebody that's outwardly not showing their emotions. I think of a poker face, poker player, somebody that doesn't show their emotions. They don't show their hand, but on the inside, they're absolutely positively kind and loving. And this one reminds me too, that it's on the inside is what really counts. You know, you say beauty's in the eye of the beholder, but beauty is only skin deep. Beauty and love and kindness comes from within, just like everything else comes from within us. But what we show the world will depend on the type of business that we want to grow, the type of business we want to create, the impact we want to make on the people we love and care about and on the rest of the world. I always encourage people to create what it is that you want to see in the world. Create the business that you want to see existing in the world. Be the example, set the example for other people. Now, some people are warm and friendly and extroverted on the outside, and they don't have any problem showing their emotions and showing their feelings and bringing other people into that world. Other people have a much more business-like, professional, stern position, but on the inside, their intent is just as kind and loving and warm as the person with the warm exterior. You don't really know. We can't really judge a book by its cover. So let people know what you stand for. Let people know what you stand against. Let people know, and you're not only you, but your business as well. If you're building and creating and supersizing your business, you build it on the same core values and the same foundation that you hold near and dear to your heart. Live and act from your heart and share your core values. Let people know. You know, I think we talked yesterday about don't let it be a secret what direction you're turning. Use your turn signal. The same is true here. Let people know what you stand for and attract the people that are for you, that you're here to serve, to you, and just let the others fall away. So I would love to know your experience with the expression cold hands, warm heart. Like I said, I've heard it my entire life, so it is one that's near and dear to my heart. And whenever I hear it now, I think of both my grandmother, who had passed away a couple of years ago, my mom's mom, and my dad, because he was hugs aren't any good if you keep them, and there's no such thing as can't kind of guy. So that tells you what kind of person he really was on the inside. And some people found him stern and gruff. I knew him as the amazing, loving, kind man that he was. All right. Any questions, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another December idiom. What does it mean? Where did it come from? And how might you use it to supersize, grow, and create the business you're here to create? Have a great day. I'll be with you tomorrow.